Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with fast, targeted checks. Do them now. Close every Office program, then open Task Manager and end any WinWord, EXE or Excel. EXE processes, this clears hangs. Next, restart the PC. Updates often fix launch bugs, so install pending Windows and Office patches. Once done, try Safe Mode by holding Control when you open an app. Safe Mode disables add-ins and shows whether extensions cause the failure. These quick steps separate environment problems from deeper installation issues. Once Safe Mode narrowed the cause, repair and account checks are next. Open Settings, find Microsoft Office, choose Modify, and run Quick Repair. It replaces corrupted files fast. If the problem persists, run Online Repair for a full reinstall. Make sure you sign out and sign back into your Office account to refresh activation. An expired or mismatched license can block launches. Also, disable COM add-ins from File Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Add-ins, and manage them. Problematic add-ins often crash the startup sequence. Finish with advanced diagnostics and a clear fallback plan. Create a new Windows user and test Office there. If it opens, your original profile is corrupted. While testing, open Event Viewer and filter application logs for Office errors. Write down event ID and faulting module names. They guide targeted fixes. If these steps fail, uninstall and reinstall Office cleanly. Sign back into your Microsoft account or enter your product key. If reinstall still fails, try the one-key troubleshooting tip. Run Office.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.